Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is ironic. It is pronounced I-R-O-N-I-C, and it is spelt I-R-O-N-I-C. Think the letter I, then ron, and then ick. Ironic means using or characterized by irony. Irony means the expression of one's meaning by using language that normally signifies the opposite, typically for humorous or emphatic effect. For example, you could say it was ironic that the football team had won every match of the season, but not the big final game. Ironic comes from the Greek ironikos, meaning dissembling or putting on a feigned ignorance. While this is not quite its meaning today, its association with fake or feigned remains. To show something is ironic, you make a point which is unexpected or the opposite of what you actually mean, often for comedic effect. You fake or feign. For example, if it was pouring with rain, and I said to you, "What nice weather we're having," this would be ironic. Of course, this is not true. The weather is not nice. In fact, what I said is the opposite of what I actually meant to communicate. There is a song by Alanis Morissette called Ironic, which mentions a lot of different ironic situations, including an old man turned 98. He won the lottery and died the next day. Rain on your wedding day. A traffic jam when you're already late. Give the song a listen. Can you see how these situations are ironic? Ironic is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, it was a little ironic that the computing teacher forgot how to work his own laptop. Ironic is defined in the dictionary as interesting, strange, or funny because of being very different from what you would usually expect, or showing that you really mean the opposite of what you are saying. Ironic synonyms include sarcastic, dry, cynical, and satirical. Antonyms include straight, sincere, and truthful. See if you can spot anything ironic today. For example, it could be the rain that starts the moment you leave the house to walk to school. Have a go at using your new word today. Ironic. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.